Welcome to Classic Cars Click, the place where classic cars live on and history keeps rolling down the road. We're here to bring you the best in automotive history, restorations, reviews, and the sound of engines roaring. And enjoy. Number 1. Ford Mustang V6 Premium Convertible 2D 2010. Price, $6,900. Get ready to hit the road in style with this 2010 Ford Mustang V6 Premium Convertible, just listed 12 hours ago in Shawnee, Kansas. With 127,700 miles and an automatic transmission, this car offers a smooth, comfortable ride with the freedom of open-air driving. The V6 engine provides the perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency, while the premium features make this Mustang stand out from the crowd. The sleek, modern design combined with the convertible top ensures you'll enjoy every drive, whether it's a sunny day or a cool evening. This Mustang is the perfect choice for those looking for performance, style, and fun, all at a great price. Don't wait, this one won't last long. Number 2. Buick Riviera Coupe 2D 1983. Price, $6,500. This 1983 Buick Riviera Coupe is a rare gem that blends elegance and performance. Listed just a week ago in Cheswick, Pennsylvania. With 123,000 miles and an automatic transmission, this vintage beauty offers a smooth, luxurious ride that only a classic Buick can deliver. Known for its sleek design and sophisticated styling, the Riviera is a standout in any collection. The well-maintained exterior and plush interior make every drive feel like a special occasion. If you're looking for a unique piece of automotive history that combines comfort with timeless beauty, this Buick Riviera is the perfect fit. Don't let this classic pass you by. Act quickly before it's gone. Number 3. Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D 1990. Price, $3,500. This 1990 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is a timeless piece of luxury, listed 19 weeks ago in Kansas City, Missouri. With 157,000 miles driven and an automatic transmission, this classic Cadillac still offers smooth rides and high-end comfort. Known for its iconic styling, plush interior, and smooth handling, the DeVille is the epitome of American luxury. The sleek coupe design stands out on the road, while the spacious cabin ensures a comfortable ride. Whether you're looking for a vintage car to restore or a reliable cruiser with plenty of character, this Cadillac DeVille is an excellent choice. At such an affordable price, this classic won't last long. Act quickly. Number 4. Cadillac Seville 1976. Price, $5,500. This 1976 Cadillac Seville is a stunning example of vintage American luxury, listed 31 weeks ago in Kansas City, Missouri. With just 36,000 miles driven and an automatic transmission, this low-mileage gem is in exceptional condition. Known for its distinctive design and high-end features, the Seville was Cadillac's entry into the compact luxury market, offering the perfect blend of style and performance. The smooth ride, elegant interior, and classic exterior make this car a standout among vintage Cadillacs. Whether you're a collector or looking for a unique classic car to enjoy, this Seville is a must-see. At this price, this beauty won't last long. Act fast before it's gone. Number 5. Jaguar XJS 1994. Price, $5,800. This 1994 Jaguar XJS is a stunning example of British luxury and performance. Listed just a week ago in Liberty, Missouri. With only 61,000 miles driven and an automatic transmission, this low-mileage classic is in excellent condition. Known for its refined styling and powerful V12 engine, the XJS offers a thrilling driving experience paired with exceptional comfort. The sleek exterior, complemented by a luxurious leather interior, makes it a head-turner wherever you go. Whether you're a collector or an enthusiast, this Jaguar XJS provides an unbeatable blend of elegance and performance. This rare gem won't last long. Grab the opportunity to own a classic at an incredible price. Number 6. 1981 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $5,000. Listed a week ago in Trimble, Missouri. This 1981 Chevrolet Malibu offers a blend of vintage charm and modern practicality. With 129,900 miles on the odometer, this car runs smoothly and is ready to hit the road. Its automatic transmission ensures an easy and comfortable driving experience. The Malibu's classic design and reliable performance make it a great option for anyone looking for a project car or a classic ride for everyday use. Whether you're cruising through the city or driving on the open road, this Malibu is sure to turn heads. Don't miss the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history at an affordable price. Number 7. 2000 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $7,500. Listed 3 days ago in Kansas City, Kansas. The 2000 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe is a true American muscle car, featuring a powerful V8 engine and manual transmission for an exhilarating driving experience. With 121,000 miles on the clock, this Camaro is in great shape and ready to hit the road. The aggressive design, iconic SS badging, and performance capabilities make this vehicle a standout among other sports cars. Perfect for collectors or anyone looking to enjoy the thrill of driving a classic muscle car, the Camaro SS offers both style and power at an affordable price. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Number 8. 1993 Pontiac Trans Am. Price, $8,000. Listed a week ago in Spring Hill, Kansas. The 1993 Pontiac Trans Am is a classic muscle car that combines iconic design with thrilling performance. Driven 126,120 miles, this beauty comes equipped with a manual transmission, offering a truly engaging driving experience. The bold, aggressive styling and powerful engine make the Trans Am a standout on the road, while its smooth handling ensures comfort and control. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply seeking a fun ride, this Trans Am delivers both style and substance. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of automotive history at a fantastic price. Number 9. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D. Price, $10,500. Listed 17 weeks ago in Kansas City, Kansas. This 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe is a true classic, offering both timeless style and powerful performance. With 111,111 miles driven, this Corvette is in excellent condition and features an automatic transmission for smooth and effortless driving. The sleek exterior, highlighted by the iconic Stingray design, turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, you'll find a comfortable and stylish cabin, perfect for both cruising and long drives. Whether you're a collector or simply looking to enjoy the ride, this Corvette provides a fantastic opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history at an unbeatable price. Number 10. 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. Price, $15,000. Listed 21 hours ago in Edwardsville, Kansas. The 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is the perfect blend of luxury and performance. With only 79,000 miles on the odometer, this classic sports car is in outstanding condition. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it provides a smooth and responsive driving experience. The Corvette's sleek lines, iconic design, and powerful engine ensure you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Whether you're a collector or an enthusiast looking for a weekend cruiser, this Corvette offers both style and substance. Don't miss the opportunity to own this legendary American icon at an incredible price. Number 11. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $18,864. Listed a week ago in Independence, Missouri. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro is a stunning example of classic American muscle. With just 70,120 miles driven, it offers both exceptional condition and performance. Featuring an automatic transmission, this Camaro provides a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The bold exterior design, paired with its iconic Camaro styling, is sure to capture attention wherever you go. Whether you're a collector or a driver seeking a timeless piece of automotive history, this Camaro delivers style, power, and value. Don't miss your chance to own this classic beauty at a great price. Number 12. 1975 Chevy Seville Malibu Classic. Price, $13,000 OBO. Listed 6 days ago in Kansas City, Missouri. This 1975 Chevy Seville Malibu Classic is a true gem for any car enthusiast or lowrider fan. Powered by a classic small block 350 and paired with a 350 transmission, this beauty has only 3,000 miles on the drivetrain. The body and frame have been carefully preserved with 70,000 miles, stored in a climate-controlled environment for optimal care. It comes equipped with hydraulics, 2 pumps, and batteries for street lowrider performance, along with reinforced features like 3 3/4-ton springs in the front, pre-cut 2-ton springs in the back, and a bridge and chains. The interior includes a 3500 W4 channel amp, 2 6.5-inch boxes, 6x9s, an equalizer, and a fully functional radio with aftermarket upgrades. The owner is looking for $15,000 OBO or trades for an old truck. Don't miss out on owning this unique, well-maintained classic. Number 13. 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000. Listed 13 weeks ago in Hannibal, Missouri. This 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is a collector's dream, offering a combination of performance and style. With only 42,000 miles on the odometer, it's in remarkable condition. Powered by a V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, the Monte Carlo delivers smooth, powerful rides. The bold SS badging, sleek exterior, and distinctive design make it stand out on the road. Whether you're looking to add to your collection or enjoy the thrill of driving a classic, this Monte Carlo SS provides both luxury and performance at a fantastic price. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Number 14. 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Price, $16,200. Listed a year ago in Columbia, Missouri. This 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is a classic muscle car, offering the perfect balance of style, performance, and comfort. With 110,000 miles on the clock, it's been well maintained and remains in excellent condition. The Monte Carlo SS is equipped with a powerful V8 engine and an automatic transmission for a smooth, responsive driving experience. The distinctive SS badging and sleek exterior design ensure it turns heads wherever it goes. Whether you're a collector or looking for a fun, classic ride, this Monte Carlo SS is a fantastic choice. Don't miss out on this iconic piece of automotive history. Number 15. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $18,000. Listed 11 weeks ago in St. Joseph, Missouri. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a classic American muscle car that combines style and performance. With 95,000 miles driven, it has been well maintained and remains in great condition. Powered by a V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this Camaro delivers a smooth and powerful ride. The sleek exterior, coupled with the Camaro's iconic design, makes it a standout on the road. Whether you're a collector or simply looking for a thrilling ride, this Camaro offers both nostalgia and modern appeal. Don't miss the chance to own this timeless piece of automotive history at an excellent price. That's it for today. If you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep the engine running, keep the wheels turning, and keep the classic cars alive, because legends never die. See you soon.